5 years ago, the Juncker Commission made the digital single market one of its key political priorities. Different national rules and incompatible member state services confined consumers to less choice with higher prices and hampered businesses from scaling up. Now, the market has common rules, opening up countless opportunities for European citizens and businesses. Expensive calls and data within the EU are over. We can call and surf the web anywhere in Europe without roaming or excessive international charges. We can access content subscriptions, movies and sports, or buy online from anywhere in the EU, and even snap up a bargain from another European country. Unjustified geo-blocking is banned. As consumers, we are better protected when we don't receive the product we ordered or when digital services do not work. Our children can surf and watch videos more safely online, and we can all watch more European movies. European creativity is also protected by new copyright rules. Personal data is now secured to the highest standards set by Europe. Safeguards against cyber attacks apply across Europe, and agencies act together to better protect us. EU companies can reach over 500 million consumers through common rules, efficient one-stop VAT options, and guaranteed free data flow through the cloud service of our choice. Digital platforms must give companies fair access to do business and take measures to protect users from disinformation. And there is more to come. Europe is investing in digital infrastructure to make the best of the data economy, supporting green and intelligent transport, clean and efficient energy, e-health, precision farming, cultural heritage, education and climate action. Today, Europe is leading the way in the digital world. Its rules are becoming world standards and are a strong foundation for a digital global leadership in the years to come.